everyone, after a long break we're back with the Roaming Crafts online tutorials. And today's project is a good one for our younger viewers. It's how to make a paper aeroplane. Now just before we get started, how many of us tried to make paper aeroplanes when we were kids and they never flew and they never worked, they didn't fly very far? Yeah, I was one of them. One of my uncles was very good at it, but me not so. But I met one of the volunteers at my support group I go to between markets and recording videos, and together we managed to come up with a paper aeroplane that actually flies quite a sensible way, and I'm going to show you how to do it here in this here video. So all we need is just a piece of A4 paper. Got some plain white one from the office, but you can use coloured paper. You can make it as colourful as you want. And what we do first of all is we'll turn it to what we call portrait, which is this way, and then just fold it in half, like so. Let's move the fold down like that, so we'll make sure it's edge to edge, like that. And sorry, I'm a bit sniffly today, my hay fever is sort of quite bad today, but never mind, that stops from being crafty for long. Once we've got our paper unfolded like so, just that a little bit, we're going to fold down the top, so we've got a little triangle. So we want this edge to meet that edge there, to meet the fold, and then like that, and repeat that on the other side, like that. Now this is usually as far as I've got making them myself. I think normally, this is about as much as I can remember doing them as a kid. But as I was saying, never used to fly very far. My uncle's one used to fly for ages. I don't know how he did it really, but it was just lucky. But so once we've got our two folded parts here at the top, we're going to flip the paper over like this, and we're going to fold it backward. We're going to fold it over like this. So as before, so you know the drill, edge to edge. Same so you've been watching any of our origami workshop videos on this channel. If you've not and you want to fancy having a go at origami, check the videos out. We've got about 9 episodes on there, different catering for different skill levels. So anyway, back to our plane. So as you can see, the actual fuselage, the proper term for the plane, is starting to take shape. And the next job will be to start creating the wings. That's an important part of any plane. Well, some of my earliest sort of memories of planes really was, as a kid, well, growing up in the 80s, where you had the Concorde, the supersonic passenger plane. So just actually make the wings, I'll just recite some accounts on my history of planes. So just fold it, just to show you again, just sort of fold it over like that, always edge to edge. That's the way it should be done, because the wings, the first fold, the wing will be a second one, because the wings will be done in 2 stages. So growing up in the 80s, where we are here in Surrey, London Heathrow's not that far from here, so we've been on the flight path for Concorde, the supersonic passenger plane. In fact, my grandfather, who's unfortunately not with us anymore, worked for the British company, British Aerospace, which in fact was involved in the manufacture of Concorde. So I've got a sort of family link to that very important plane. So a lot of my memories were watching it fly over my hometown. You could always tell if you could hear it before you could see it, because it was going pretty much close to speeds of sound. It was about 700 miles an hour or thereabouts. So okay, let's put it this way very fast. But anyway, back to second stage welding our wings. So we're going to fold this part over to create the second part of the wing, which is goes like so, and then turn it over and we'll repeat as we did before. So we've got top of the wing, stage 1, and one part of the wing, stage 2. If actually looking at it when I finish unfolding, when I finish doing the folds, it actually looks a little bit like that famous Concorde. If you've ever seen one in the sky, or if you saw one on TV, or lucky like me to have seen sort of the real thing at a local museum. I think there's a couple of Concords in this country, and yeah, I think there's one. There's one at Dunsfold up in Cambridgeshire. There's one at Brooklands Museum, Weybridge. There's one there. I think there's a couple in America as well. But yeah, I think we're getting slightly off the track now. It's a craft video, not a... So with our wings now done, so we're going to unfold our paper plane. Just check to make sure that you've done. Make sure your folds are all. So just turn the camera up just a little tiny bit so you can see the actual wings. So in fact, it does look a little bit like Concorde. It has what they call the delta wings. The wings are sort of swept back. So aircraft like the Concorde, the Avro Vulcan. If you're into aircraft like I used to be. I think, yeah, when I was a kid, I'd also watch a lot of those old Sunday afternoon war movies like Battle of Britain, the 633 Squadron, Dam Busters, and later in my youth, I would also build model kits of various planes. The World War II Spitfire was always a favourite of mine. In fact, still is. Wonderful plane. So speaking of wonderful planes, here's our finished paper aeroplane. So in fact, the lady I learned how to do this with at my social group, my anxiety group, just recently, which actually did fly quite a way. We had quite a large room there, and it did fly very fast as well. So yeah, give it a go. There we have it. On one paper aeroplane that will fly for quite a way. So that's all we've got time for. That's all we've got time for today. Thank you once again for watching the video. If you're one of our regular subscribers and you've clicked the notification bell on YouTube, you have a notification bell, then you'll get notifications when our next videos will be coming up. And if you're not one of our regular subscribers, what are you waiting for? It doesn't cost anything. It'll take mere moments of your time to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and your life will be much craftier for it. Also, you can follow us on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, and also on TikTok. Our new TikTok channel launched in January, so you can see a lot of our event photos there, and and new photos of our new items from our gift shop as well, which can also be accessed on our website, which is www.runningmecrafts.com, where you can access this channel, our social media channels, our next door. You can find. I'm sorry, I'll just do that again. Sorry. Yeah, our website www.runningmecrafts.com. You can access the social media channels on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please be aware, if you're one of the new people to our channel, our Twitter channel has been now closed. We don't have any social media on Twitter. It's just, or X, whatever it's called nowadays. So we just have the Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also find us on nextdoor.co.uk for our UK viewers. There's an online craft group there. It's our main page advertising our different events we'll be doing over the next few months. In fact, we're around late April now. This is the time when it's being filmed, so we're gearing up for the important summer season. All dates are on our Facebook page. They'll be on our Instagram pages, our website. TikTok, you can see our event photos, see the events we go to, see our products, and see our work in the community as well with our pop-up gift shops and craft classes. And also, last but not least, if your search engine is Google, you can also find us on you can also find us on Google as well. Our Google Our Business page there is undergoing a small revamp, so there'll be new product launches on there. There'll be the new new events for our regular markets in Leatherhead, Surrey, and Farnborough, and our new store in Aldershot, which we opened up last year. Hence why our output on YouTube is a lot smaller because of our large expansion with two new stores, part of our post-COVID recovery. So I think that pretty much covers everything. It's all good. It's all good to see everybody again after such a long break from being here in the studio. Our links for our social media channels echo over the end of this video, and hopefully look forward to seeing you at some of our regular market stalls in Leatherhead, Farnborough, Aldershot, and our other events in Surrey and the home counties. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care, stay crafty. We'll see you real soon.